If you want to hop on one of the hottest crypto trends for 2025, then listen up. Because AI agents are taking the crypto world by storm. And for good reason. Think about all the different things you can do inside of crypto to make money, like trading, arbitrage, sniping new coin launches, and even launching your own token. Well, what if you could automate all these things and have an AI do it for you? And what if the AI could even do it better than you? Well, that's exactly what the potential of AI agents are inside of crypto. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money with them and how you can create one yourself. I'm going to explain everything in this video today as a blockchain developer myself who works with this technology on a daily basis. So if you're new around here, hey, I'm Gregory, and on this channel, I turn you into a blockchain master. So if that's something that you're interested in, then smash that like button down below and subscribe. All right, so let's get into this. Let's talk about how to make money with AI agents inside 2025 in crypto. So first of all, what is an AI agent? Well, basically, it's an AI that can do stuff for you. So most people are using AIs like ChatGPT, where you can ask it questions and it just gives you answers back. But what if you could actually have an AI perform tasks for you? Well, that's what an AI agent is. And when you equip an AI agent with its own crypto wallet, it becomes an AI that could actually make money. And so in this video, I'm gonna talk about the different ways that you can do this. But if you wanna see how to create your own crypto AI agent, then listen up, because I have a special announcement to make. I'm holding a brand new AI agent masterclass next Thursday, March 20th. Inside, I'll show you how to create your own AI agent step by step and set it up with your own crypto wallet so that it can actually do the types of things I'm talking about in this video. So trust me, you don't want to miss this. Hold your spot with the link down below. Okay, so that's what an AI agent is. Basically, it's an AI that you can give it instructions and it actually performs tasks for you. But how can you use these agents to make money in crypto? Well, when you give an agent a crypto wallet, it can take instructions and do many different things. Let's see what those are. So way number one is with crypto arbitrage trading. So basically, there's all these different cryptocurrency exchanges out there that trade the exact same cryptocurrencies, and they all have slight price discrepancies. So if you can buy a cryptocurrency on one exchange and sell it on a different exchange for a profit in real time, that's what arbitrage is all about. Now, there's a lot of different strategies for doing arbitrage, from centralized exchanges to DEXs, doing it manually, automating with bots. But what an AI can do is you can train it to look for these types of things and even come up with novel arbitrage strategies that most people aren't doing, and then equip it with this crypto wallet, and it could potentially do the arbitrages for you. Way number two is actually finding new coins, okay? So, one of the hottest ways to make money in crypto is buying coin launches. Recently a lot of that's been meme coins, but there's other types of coins that hit the blockchain every single day. A lot of them blow up, do 10, 100, even 1,000 plus X over a given time. And if you can get in one of these coins really early, they can have insane returns, okay? Now, the hard part is filtering out the noise, because so many coins launch every single day, and you could sit there and watch everything and try to make all the decisions yourself. Or what you could do is actually train an artificial intelligence agent to actually look at what's worked in the past, try to have some different key performance indicators on what's likely a good launch versus what's a bad launch. You can do things like train it on social data and so many other things to actually watch all the different coins that are launching at any given point in time and try to actually place good bets. Maybe even better bets than you could possibly make, but at the end of the day, it can still watch for things 24/7 where you really can't at that volume. Another way where an AI agent could potentially make money in crypto is just by trading crypto, okay? So whenever you're automating crypto trading and you're doing it with a set of rules, that's really the realm of algorithmic trading, okay? So that's different from arbitrage trading, where you're looking for opportunities in the marketplace. Algorithmic trading actually tries to forecast, is the price going to go up or down in a given time, and then try to make buying and selling decisions off of that information. Now, there's a zillion different ways to create your own algorithms, but with an AI agent, essentially what you're doing is you're letting it do the algorithmic side of the trading itself. This basically looks like, training the model based on past performance data, maybe using some different known algorithms or blending different algorithms to try to figure out which one's going to work during these market conditions to actually make a profit. And when you equip it with a crypto wallet, it can do the trades for you. Another way to make money with AI agents is to actually launch new cryptocurrencies, doing coin launches, okay? Now, obviously, you have to check on the legality of doing something like this based on your jurisdiction. And we're seeing policy changes about that, at the time of recording this video inside the United States about what's good, what's not good. But either way, you basically, think about what's required to launch a new coin. All you have to do is use a copy and paste, code from somebody else and change some variables, and boom, you have a new cryptocurrency. It just needs an idea behind it, okay? It needs to get deployed to the blockchain, and then it needs some type of social community. So we've seen lots of different AI agents launch coins in the past where they can essentially control the social accounts. They can come up with the ideas for the coins. They can launch them, and you can even add liquidity, to the blockchain to get these things to start trading and then create a following based off of that. So all this can be automated with AI agents, and it's one other way to make money with them in crypto. And finally, one of the last ways to make money with AI agents, and this is for the more ambitious people watching this video, is to actually just sell the agent itself, okay? Because if you can create an AI agent inside of crypto that actually does something useful that, could potentially make money or is making money right now, then there's probably going to be a buyer for that agent out there. Okay, so you can list these on different places where you can sell apps online. People are selling agents every single day this way. Okay, so those are some different ways to make money with crypto AI agents. There's a lot more than that, but those are some of the ones I want to just bring as top of mind because I think it'll resonate with a lot of different people. Now, if you're going to create one of these, how do you do it? Like, what do you need in order to pull this off? Well, number one is you need a model. You need an artificial intelligence model that's going to power the agent. So you can use different things like OpenAI's platform with ChatGPT. You can use Grok, you can use Claude. There's all different types of models out there. But that's going to be the underlying thing that you're talking to that actually is making the AI decisions. That's what you're going to train. That's what you're going to just talk with to tell it what to do, to give it the instructions. And then it's going to snap into the other parts of this equation that actually, turn it into an agent that can do stuff for you. Because at the end of the day, all this AI can do is really just, respond with what it's going to do. So how do you get it to actually perform the tasks? Well, that's where an agent framework comes into play. So if you've done any type of software development before, you can use frameworks to create applications really quickly, whether it's, front-end applications, something like React, or full stack applications, or even smart contracts with a framework like Hardhat. Well, basically, you can create agents with frameworks like Eliza, okay? So basically, Eliza is a way where you can create an AI agent. You can snap into an existing model, kind of like I was talking about with ChatGPT or Grok or Claude or whatever. And then inside that framework, that's where you can actually implement the code to make it do the things that you want it to do. That's where you can equip it with a crypto wallet. And once it's got that wallet and it recognizes how to use it, then you can start talking to the AI, give it instructions, and it can perform the task with the wallet that you've given it. Now, in order to define like what the tasks are and how to do it, well, that's when you get into adapters, okay? So you have to create an adapter that has that's able to perform the specific strategy, whether that's trade on a DEX, send cryptocurrency around, do arbitrage, something like that. You basically define an adapter that lets it do the thing you want to do. And when you pair that with a crypto wallet, it's able to perform all these tasks on chain after you've given it the instructions, okay? And then finally, what you're going to want to do is actually train the AI that you've given, okay? You can start off with some basic instructions and see what it does with those instructions. But if it needs other data, it has to have access to that data. It has to be trained on how to actually use it properly to perform the type of task that you want. All right, so that's an overview of the different types of things that you need in order to create an AI agent. Now, you could go off and try to glue all this stuff together on your own, but if you want the shortcut and actually jump on one of the hottest trends in crypto and create your own AI agent, then make sure you hold your spot for the AI Masterclass next Thursday on March 20th. Inside, I'll show you how to create your own crypto AI agent step by step and how to set it up with your crypto wallet so it can actually do things on chain, just like I'm talking about in this video. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Hold your spot with the link down below. All right, so that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.